Hello everyone, how's everything going? On this video, I wanted to cover with you the high ticket affiliate program that you can actually start in 2023 and moving forward. And these programs are some of them which I'll actually share with you. You don't need any money to get started, but also some of the other program I'll also be showing with you. You can actually get started for very little, and so make sure you stay all the way till the end, because at the end I'll also be giving you a awesome bonus, right? And with that, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about YouTube automation. So if you want to know how you can actually start YouTube automation business, you can go here on my channel and start watching all this free training that I did. This training I actually paid a lot of money to learn, and now I wanted to give it this information to you for free, right? So with that being said, let's get cracking. Like, the first company I'll share with you is called Goldco, right? So Goldco is a investment company, and normally people come here as a retiree and they want to put money. So this company can actually invest for a person who is actually retired, right? So you don't need to have any money to actually get started, because it's 100% free, no cost to join. And the payouts, you can see until today they have paid out, they're paying affiliates like every single month, right? And you can see in here they're paying like millions every single month, right? So this is a awesome company to actually get started. And so what it is like, you're going to be creating an account, right? So once you create an account, you fill out all the forms and everything like that, and they will approve you. It normally takes like 24 to 48 hours for your account to actually get approved, and then after, you will actually get a affiliate link, so you can start promoting that link. And the good thing about this is also, for every lead, the company actually pays $100, right? So just for you to actually send out a lead, this company pays you, which is just awesome, right? And I really love this company, because also what I was actually telling you, Goldco pays out millions every month through its affiliate programs, right? And it's an awesome company, because it's super high affiliate program out there, because just with one sale you can earn between $20,000 to $50,000, right? Because retirees, they have a lot of money saved up, and when they click on your affiliate link and come and join this program, join this actual investment company as a retiree, right? And retirees, they have a lot of money, right? They have like between $250 to $1 million, right? And just think about, even if you're gonna get like 3%, 5% from this program, but you're gonna be making like a lot of money. I'm talking like 50 to 20,000, 50,000, 10,000, right? So the possibility in this actual affiliate program is just limitless, right? Another program which I also wanted to show you is called Zach Crawford's program, right? And I actually really love this program, because it's super high affiliate ticket program, right? And you're gonna get paid between 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, all the way up to $10,000 you can actually earn from this program, right? And you only need $7 to get started, right? And which is just awesome. And that way you can see Zach Crawford sharing all these results, right? Testimonials, people is actually earning like a lot of money, right? 2,000, 1,000, and they earn up to 5,000, and then earn up to $10,000. And Zach Crawford actually coaches you, right? Every single week he does the mastermind calls, and just providing as much value as he can to the community, right? Awesome program, and I really love this, because you can get started for as little as $7, and you have the possibility to be earning a lot of money, right? $1,000, right? So highly recommend this program. Appreciate Zach Crawford's everything that he's actually doing for the community, and it's awesome affiliate program out there, right? Another one I wanted to share with you is this one here, 72-hour challenge, right? Done by a very successful online entrepreneur, Jonathan Montoya, right? And he had made a lot of people successful, right? And I really also love his program as well, because you can actually literally get started for as little as $9, and you have the possibility to be earning that high ticket commission, right? So his program is similar to Legendary Marketer, right? You should know about Legendary Marketer if you're doing affiliate programs, right? It's like a step-by-step commission that you can earn, right? You can start for $9, and with $9 you can actually turn that into like $750, $1,000, right? So it's like a very high ticket affiliate program, and you can actually literally get started for very, very little, which I really love. Okay, so those are the 3 programs that I really love, but the one that I actually recommend for a complete newbie as a beginner is called the all-in-one business model, right? And why I'm saying this is the best one out there is because you can literally get started for very little, and you can actually get recurring income, and also you're going to get high ticket commissions, right? So you can start with like as little as $25, and that little recurring incomes, right? And you also have the possibility to be earning like $400 and also $800 high ticket commissions, right? And you're gonna get a ton of bonus with this company, right? Until this day, the company has paid out $4.4 million to the affiliates, and company pays out 80% commission, right? And some of the money also goes to helping the hungry kids out there, right? You're also going to get 3 magic emails, which is just awesome, right? And all this bonus you actually going to get for free, right? This company just keeps on adding so much value into this system, and I haven't seen any company that goes into providing so much value to the to the marketplace, and they never ever increase the price, right? And I really love this one. 25 business model. So if you want to join, you can just click on this button and go and sign up. And with that, what I was actually going to be mentioning to you is if you also will be actually joining this business model, right, the all-in-one business model, I'll also be giving you a bonus, right? So this is all my bonus that I'm actually going to be giving you, right? And this actual bonus took me a long time to come up with, and it will give you a best possible way to start earning income online, right? And it came from my trial and error. I had a lot of failures in the online space in the beginning, but after I have got everything set up, starting my YouTube automation channels and whatever fundamentals I learned, I applied onto affiliate marketing, and that's how I'm actually getting success and results, right? So you're going to get the same exact formula that I used to get the results that I'm actually getting now, right? Recurring income, and you'll also get all these bonus that are actually going to be giving to you, right? So that way you can have the best chance of getting out there and start earning that commission which you haven't earned in a very long time, right? So again, thank you so much for sticking all the way till the end. My name is Sanjeev, and also on the screen you'll see a video in there, so make sure you click on that video. It also breaks everything down in how you can actually go from 0 to $100,000 in a very short amount of time. So make sure you click that video and watch the training, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.